best theme park in Europe, the best theme park in the world. This is our story of our day at Efteling. Later in the video, we're going to tell you our one regret we had on the day as we show you our full experience. But until a few weeks ago, we didn't really know much about this park. So we're now going to pass on all the information that we have gathered, including where to stay, where to park, how much it is to get in. So let's begin our full guide 2025. We went to Efteling as we had an overnight stay in Rotterdam on our cruise holiday on Iona. We hired a car, which was the cheapest option. We'll tell you shortly how most people arrive from the UK to Efteling. Efteling was formed in May 1951 and opened as the Efteling Nature Park. It's increased throughout the years and still to this day owned by the Efteling Nature Park Foundation. You'll find it in the south of the Netherlands. If you're arriving through Dover-Calais, it'll take you around 3 hours 30 in good traffic. There is the Hull Rotterdam ferry, P&O, that will take you around an hour and 10 minutes from the outskirts of Rotterdam. You've also got the Newcastle to Amsterdam ferry, that will take you around about an hour and 35 minutes. Both of those are overnight crossings, so you can get there in the morning, ready for a day at the park. Driving, I found on the motorways, was pretty simple. Directions were good. Once you arrive, you can park for €15. This is booked in advance, and then you scan it as you leave and take a picture of where you are parked. There is solar panel shelters and also plenty of electric points to charge your car. Shall we talk accommodation? From this August, there will be 4 choices. Official choices, including the Efteling Grand Hotel, opening this August. 2 restaurants, boutique, swimming pool. It looks marvellous from the outside. Suites inspired with different views. It's going to be good, although prices are quite high, obviously, as you would imagine, in peak season, up to €600. Your other choices are, there is the Efteling Hotel, which is around a 5-minute walk, themed suites and restaurant. Got the holiday houses, some more hotel rooms. 4 different choices, all the information really good on the website. Around 600 is your peak prices, down to around 300 if you're talking midweek in early summer. Other choices, if you'd like to keep the cost down nearby, you've got hotel options and also some Euro camps, which will definitely keep the prices down. Talking of prices, on the app and also on the website, it has all the information there. It will tell you whether it's a quiet day, a normal day, a busy day, whether there's a corporate event. Really, really good. Prices start at €46. Off-peak up to €53 in the summer holidays. Talking of the app, I found it really accessible. You can head into the map, you can see where food options are, and you also see the times of the queues. You have all the information, the links are below. Let's find out what we got up to on our day in Efteling Park.
Bewegen. Hallo. Film. Ja.
That type of interaction is what we experienced all day. Must say here that the staff were excellent, smart and efficient, and one of the reasons why so many people give this park excellent reviews. This is the lake as you enter the park, and it does offer different times throughout the year shows that are very spectacular. I was determined to go on this train, but unfortunately we never did. One of the many reasons why we will be returning to this park. Wooden roller coaster time, that was our first ride. I will pop the name of each ride on the screen as we head on them. I won't be pronouncing half of them because I don't want to offend our Dutch viewers with my bad pronunciation.
Don't forget to secure all loose items, such as your hat, scarf and phone. Fun!
This was an amazing ride, a dual wooden roller coaster. You'll see some footage from the official YouTube site. I would head here for all the POVs and it will give you an idea of how cool and smooth this ride was. How was it, Tom? We just did the wooden roller coaster. That was good. On to the next. Right next door is Python, another roller coaster. This once again was smooth, was excellent. We had a bit of time in the queue, as for a time being it was down. And I got front seat. Yes, 2 times in a row, front seat. Get in there. Here we go. Let's head on Python. It was good. We've been on 2 rides, so it's now time for food. It's lunchtime. There was loads of offerings here, including cakes, salads, pastries. What we went for, though, was the kebab. Oh, this kebab was good. The prices for a drink and a kebab is around €10. The Turkish pizza around $7.95. And $7.50 for the kebab. Drinks alone around $3.95. So pretty good prices. While you take a look at the menu, we do ask if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy cruise and theme park content, hit that subscribe button. From the 4Bs, it's a massive thank you. If you want more gentler rides, there was the boats, there was the tractors. But we headed towards this indoor dark ride, Zimbolica. I went for that one. Tell me if I got that incorrect in the comments below. Once again, the queues were around 30 minutes. We never queued for more than 30 minutes, which is really good, down mainly to the efficiency of the workers and the park. Really cool but strange ride, but we did love it. I do love a dark ride, especially a themed dark ride. Quick stop off at the miniature world. Do not miss this. Lots of people do. It's inside. It's great. Then on to the carousel. The steam carousel. And this went a lot quicker than I thought it would be. Cool. We enjoyed this. I've noticed that in the comments, people don't like to compare this wonderful theme park to a Dutch Disney, so I won't. But this ride is very much like Space Mountain, and the next ride we head on has lots of animatronics that tell you the story of countries around the world, and has a very catchy song that plays on repeat. Enjoy. One of the highlights of the day was this candy floss, and as you can see, it was only €3. It was amazing. If you go here, you need to get this candy floss. Look, it was bigger than our sun. Efteling is based in the main on fairy tales, and this is one not to miss. It's the Fairytale Forest. You can get yourself lost for 30 minutes to an hour. And the detail is just excellent. So take a wander at some part of your day in the Fairytale Forest. We then headed past this building. It's the new Haunted Spectacular, new for 2024. And one of our regrets, the queues were always so big here, and it was a rather cold March day, so we didn't get a chance to head in here So it's got to be one of the reasons that we needed to head back. Let's cram in those last few rides. Baron 1898. Once again, some amazing theming. It's a dive coaster and was pretty good. Say cheese if you can. Excuse her. Then, one of our final rides of the day. This was cool. Max and Moritz. A cool family ride with some crazy tunes while on board. We love this. And we also love the whoopee cushions in the queue. That was our day at Efteling. What an amazing day. And to my estimations, we only did half the park, so we'll need to return. And I think we'll return very, very soon. Let us know of your experiences and press on the screen right now for another fantastic 4Bs video.